I have usually thought and often said that we do not have to be like-minded in order to be like-hearted. I often do work in mixed company on a whole variety of topics. I was born and raised into a multiracial family, and I am raising a multiracial family, and I really do believe that. But at the same time, there is a line. And I really reflect a lot upon the words and writings of James Baldwin, who I consider especially brilliant on these topics. And he said this: "We can disagree and still love each other, unless your disagreement is rooted in my oppression, in denial of my humanity and right to exist." With some of the issues that are popping up now, it is a scary time for people from communities of color, from the trans community, and so many others. So we need to hold each other up, and we need to remember where the line is. And that helps you see who you can count on and where we need to work for the greatest change. Thank you.